Hey, so if you want an easy way to let people book meetings without back and forth messages, yeah, Calendly is one of the simplest tools you can use. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to set it up and start booking meetings. First thing, go to Calendly and sign up. You can use Google, email, or Apple to create your account. Next, connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. So, this helps Calendly avoid double bookings automatically. All right, create an event type. I mean, this is basically what people will book, like a 15-minute call or a 1-hour meeting. Now set your available hours. Choose the days and time slots when you're free to take meetings. Next, customize your booking page. So you can add a title, description, and meeting instructions. All right, now copy your booking link and share it. I mean, you can send it on email, WhatsApp, or even add it to your website. And do a quick test booking. This makes sure everything is working correctly before you start using it with real clients. So that's how you use Calendly step by step. Once it's set up, scheduling meetings becomes completely automatic.